Among those three most popular alignment terms is camber, the angle of the wheels when viewed from the front of the car. If the top leans out from the center, the camber's positive, in from the center, and it's negative. Now, caster is the angle of the steering pivot when viewed from the side. If the top of the pivot leans toward the rear, caster is positive. Toward the front, it's negative. Toe is the difference in the distance between the front and back of the tires, measured in fractions of an inch. Toe in means the front tires are actually closer to each other. Toe out means just the opposite. Well, now we're going to show you how to use the kit to check all three. We know our numbers are going to be way off on this car because we installed a brand new suspension and just left it at that.
Yeah, there are a few things that you want to do before you get started, and one of them is check the front air pressure in the tires, make sure they're set at the proper rating. And second, be sure to center up the steering wheel. And oftentimes people use a small piece of tape to indicate dead straight on. The first thing we're going to get started doing is measuring our caster, and we're going to use our cool little device here that simply attaches to the wheel by these three little fingers on the outside of the rim. The Quick Trick tool saves you from having to go to the alignment shop.
Once we mount our gauge, we need to make sure the tool sits at 90 degrees. Then with the gauge mounted horizontally, turn the wheel 3/4 of a turn inward and zero the gauge. Then turn the wheel back to the starting point and outward 3/4 of a turn.
Now, not all cars are created equal as far as adjusting the suspension. With ours, you would back off this nut and this nut here and add a shim or remove them from this point or this point here. You'll actually rotate the control arm and that would adjust your camber or caster. Don't forget that you need to repeat all that on the other wheel. Now let's check the camber. We'll turn the wheel back to the center, place the gauge on the front of the tire and zero it out. Then place it horizontally on the bracket. Now our reading says we're a little bit over 1 degree, but you want to note this little bitty arrow pointing up or pointing down indicates positive or negative.
Now to get our toe readings, we're going to use these tape measures from the kit laid across the floor in front of each front tire and make sure to lock them in place. Now we need to go to the other side, slip the ends of the tape measure into the slots of the bar. Now we can slide the tapes into the slots of the passenger side bar, front and back. And we're just about right. Both numbers match. Had the front number been larger than the rear number, that would mean we had toe out. If the rear number was larger, of course, toe in.